Assalamualaikum and a very good day to all our viewers. Welcome to the Semarak TV PSS mini documentary. Today, we embark on a journey through the natural wonders of Jelebu, Negeri Sembilan, where pristine rivers and majestic waterfalls beckon explorers and natural enthusiasts alike. Join me as we delve into the serene beauty and ecological significance of these cascading wonders. Nestled amidst the verdant hills of Negeri Sembilan lies Jelebu, a sanctuary of untouched natural beauty. Its lush rainforests and undulating terrain are credits to some of Malaysia's most captivating water features. Cascading waterfalls and crystal clear rivers that weave through the landscape. If you ever been to the town of Kuala Kelawang, you might think that this town is dead and there is nothing interesting. But actually, there are some historical monuments and places of interest that you might be able to stop at Tajali Hill. Located next to the Jami Mosque, Kuala Kelawang, there is a small hill on the top of which there is a historical monument from the British colonial era. There is a parking space nearby and you have to climb the stairs for about 5 to 10 minutes to get to the top of the hill.
Unforgettable. 영원한 마음이야.
Our journey begins with the majestic waterfalls of Jelebu. These cascades like frame jeram gajah, captivate with their sheer grandeur and natural splendor. The rhythmic rush of water against ancient rock formation creates an ambience that soothes the soul and rejuvenates the spirit. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, the rivers of Jelebu play a vital role in the region's ecosystem. They serve as lifelines, supporting diverse flora and fauna that depend on these pristine waters for survival. From freshwater fish to endemic plant species, each component contributes to the delicate balance of this natural habitat. Despite their natural beauty and ecological significance, these water bodies face challenges such as deforestation and pollution. Conservation efforts led by local communities and environmental organizations are crucial in preserving these treasures for future generations. Initiatives like reforestation and waste management campaign are essential steps towards ensuring the sustainability of Jelebu's natural resources. For the people of Jelebu, these rivers and waterfalls hold deep cultural significance. They are not just sources of water, but integral to the local identity and traditions. Fishing, bathing rituals, and community gatherings along the riverbanks are timeless practices that connect generations to the land and its natural bounty. As the sun sets over Jelebu, we reflect on the timeless beauty and ecological richness of its waterfalls and rivers. These natural wonders are not only gateways to serenity, but reminders of our responsibility to protect and cherish our environment. Join us in embracing the wonder of nature, for they are the heartbeats of our planet. From Jelebu, Negeri Sembilan, this is Nisa Maisara, reporting for Semarak TV PSS. Wishing you peace and harmony with the rhythms of nature. Till we meet again. Bye.